Today's topic: what does a payment gateway and merchant account do? What is a merchant account? A merchant account refers to a bank account where the funds received from a card for sales that is held before transferring to a bank account. When a customer makes a payment for their products and services, the payment is not directly transferred to your bank account, but first, they are captured by merchant account. You can accept payments from various channels, like an e-commerce website or mobile devices. The types of merchant accounts depend on your business model. For opening a merchant account, you will need to sign up a legal agreement between you and the issuing bank. Also, you need to be prepared for the underwriting and approval process. What is a payment gateway? A payment gateway will take all the credit card details of the customers which they type in on your website and transfers it to the processor to get the funds released to the merchant account. The payment gateway allows you to connect the payment processor to your website. In this way, the customer's money gets into your merchant account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel. And also for more information, you can visit our website, rtrsupportslimited.com.